So the question is now, do you want to live the same life after 5 years? Would you be happy to be in the same thing, be in the same state, dealing with the same struggles, to be in the same situation even after 5 years? You won't be, right? We're all optimistic about something better is going to happen to you. But the question to you is that, are you clear about what's coming? Do you have any idea what life is going to be like in the next few years? Because the point here is that we all lead a life on the default setting of life. We don't really design our life. We spend a lot of time designing a house, designing our showrooms, designing a lot of things, designing our clothes. But when it comes to life, do we really design it? No, we don't design it. But what if we design it? Because the first creation is right here, mental creation, and then it is manifested as the physical creation. With that person. But it's not about how many people you know that really matters. How many people knows you matters today. And today it has given an amazing opportunity that anybody can be visible today. You can be visible today. It's an opportunity that never existed before. In the age of internet, you can be a value creator, you can be a value distributor, you can be visible for success of people can find you. So you can connect with the right kind of people, make that kind of network. There's always a saying, your network equals your network. So the higher your network, how you grow your network really matters today. And the most important thing for that is reputation. That's why they say reputation is the monetary currency. The only thing that we can never compromise on is your own reputation. Because today in the internet age, once you lose your reputation, that scar is going to be there forever. People are not going to forget it because there's a record of it on the internet. This wasn't the case in the past. People would just forget it, but today, if you lose your reputation once, it's lost. So it's an age of reputation, it's an age of connection, it's an age of networking with people.